What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today, we're on Aquila's 28 Molokai. This is an absolute fishing machine of a catamaran, but it also still has plenty of amenities throughout the boat that you're gonna be able to have entertainment, plenty of seating, and it's not gonna get in your way. You're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's start off at the transom of the boat here. This boat's equipped with twin 225 Mercury 4-stroke engines. You have a nice grab handle by your boarding ladder here at the transom of the boat for when you're swimming in the water, you pull up to the sandbar. Plenty of grab railings to hold on to as you work your way into the boat. This is actually removable. This is nice to have on the boat when you're steaming, but can also be removed and stowed away once you pull up to your destination. You're gonna have rod holders across the whole transom of the boat here, as well as a cleat on both sides. Now you're gonna see one of the seats I'm talking about here. It's actually tucked away here. You may not have noticed it. You lift up this, and then you can pull out your seat. You're gonna have one on both sides of the boat. But when you're fishing, maybe this is in the way for you. You can easily lift this back up and stow it. On the transom of the boat, there's plenty of rod holders. You have 4 on the starboard side as well as 4 on the port. Another 5 from the rocket launcher here, and then 1 off either side. Very nice large bait well here. As well as your sink. Some tackle storage just above. You can almost turn this into a little rigging station here. Both more storage in the center. 4 more cup holders, as well as nice stainless steel grab railings here. You can see there's plenty of handles. You have this all the way around your tackle center here, as well as on the side of the console. Now, this boat doesn't have a lack of storage either. Come over this way, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. Now, in the deck here, I'm gonna step into this in a second. You're gonna see how much storage this boat has. I'm about 6 foot myself. This almost comes up to my waist. Another tackle storage, and there's one of these on both port and starboard of the console here. You're gonna have more storage for fishing poles underneath the gunnel, room for 3. It's on the other side of the boat as well, so you could have up to 6 fishing poles stowed away, as well as maybe like a scrub brush or a pole where you can grab onto dock lines or anything like that. At the helm here, this boat's equipped with Raymarine electronics, Fusion VHF radio, as well as your Mercury vessel view, your VHF radio right here, as well as all your switches, throttles, cup holders, a nice little dry storage compartment there. Now, another little touch that Aquila did with this boat is for some of those people who are a little bit more vertically challenged, or if you just want a better view, there's this nice little platform that drops down, and you can gain another 4 inches or so to be able to look up and over the console. It really gives you a lot better view of the whole entire boat. Now, on the starboard side of the console, I'm going to show you more storage in here. This is actually the largest hatch that the boat has. And yes, there's room for fishing poles in this. This comes up to about halfway up the bench seat here up in the front. Plenty of room for anything you want to stow away down there, life jackets, survival suits if you're the offshore fisherman, as well as having the length of those fishing poles. And this is lockable as well, so if you're keeping your boat somewhere and you want to lock anything down there, you have a nice little locking component on the hatch there. Now, working right up to the front, you're gonna have your bathroom here, which you can just undo 2 latches, pull the seat forward. You're gonna have your bathroom area. This could be a changing area. There's also dedicated storage for the table, which is super nice. You don't have to worry about that banging around anywhere. Now, up at the front of the boat here, you can see there's plenty of seating, and this is an entertainment area I was mentioning earlier as well. You can put that table right here in the mount. You have seating all around that table. You have these nice plug-in backrests here. So that could either be a seat, maybe it's in the way for when you're fishing. You can remove that, stow it away, then you're gonna have more room up here. This also makes a nice casting platform up here in the front. You're gonna have 3 storage compartments here. The center one is for your anchor, all your rope for the anchor, anything like that. Now off the front of the hardtop, you're gonna see this boat's equipped with a very nice light bar, as well as your sputter lights underneath. And you have 2 Fusion speakers. And one thing I didn't point out earlier is this boat's actually equipped with these Fusion speakers throughout the boat. You're gonna have 2 up here in the front, 2 midship, these 2 off the front. So for those people who really like to jam out when they're fishing and entertaining, perfect boat, perfect setup. And that's gonna conclude our walkthrough video today on Aquila's 28 Molokai.